Section 5.10, Comparing Rates. When you're trying to compare rates, you must find the unit rate first. In other words, let's say you were told it was $5 for 3 bottles of Pepsi. So you might be given $5 for 3 bottles. Or you might be told it's going to cost you $4 for 2 bottles. The only way to figure out what's the better deal is to write it and find out what it is per 1 bottle. So let's go on to the next one. Here's a good example. We've got a 12-pack of juice is $11.76. A 3-pack is this much. And which one is the better buy? So let's look at our first juice. We've got a 12-pack of juice. So we want to know what it is per pack, or how much it will be per 12-pack. So when you want to know what it is per 12-pack, we're going to be dividing it by the 12-pack. So let's take the price. It was $11.76. So let's move him on over. So we're going to take $11.76 for our first one. So there's our dollars per 12-pack. And when we divide that, it's the same thing as writing a fraction. So just like this. So 1176 divided by 12, and that'll give you dollars per pack. Okay, well, pack of juice, I should say per juice. All right, so let's do it up on the calculator. 1176 divided by 12 bottles. That'll give me the price per bottle, which is 0.98. So it's $0.98 per, and we'll say bottle, or per juice. Okay, so it's really not so much pack as it is a bottle. So the first one is going to cost me 98 cents per bottle. Let's look at the next one. We've got a 3-pack for $2.88. So I want to know the price per juice. So how many juice do I have? 3 juice. And it's $2.88. So the price per juice. So let's take our $2.88, divide it by the number of juice we have. In other words, we're dividing our money evenly between each juice so that we know how much each one will cost. And the answer for this one is 0.96. So 96 cents per juice, for 1 juice. So which one's the better deal? The 3-pack is the better deal because you're only paying 96 cents per juice, whereas the other one you're paying 98 cents per juice. But sometimes the unit rate can be so small that it doesn't make sense to use per 1. So for example, this one right here. It says find the unit cost of a 450-gram box of cereal that costs $3.96. So we want to find the price per gram. So we'll take our price, divide it by grams, and this is what we've got. $0.0088 per gram. That's not even a penny per gram, but you knew that anyway just by looking at how much it cost. So it doesn't make sense to do it like that. So now that we know what the price is per gram, if we times it by 100 grams, so times it by 100, all that's doing is shifting your decimal place. So when you times it by 100 grams, you'll end up with 88 cents per 100 grams. So you don't want to find out what it is per gram, you want to find out what it is per 100 gram, because a gram of cereal is not very much. and it doesn't make sense to say that it's not even a penny per gram.